Peace to the people in Sevyn. I'm at top of the parking deck next to the Douglas Theater. You can see some of the cars are here. They're not all here set up yet, but we up here having a good time. DJ B3 is here as usual with the tunes. B3! Yeah. Here with the tunes as usual. He's gonna be doing a thing. We're gonna see what they got. Peace to the people. Oh, what's your name?
Emily.
Emily? Okay. Alright, had some technical difficulties. She's let her hair down, so we're in there now. We're feeling a little better. We're good. All right, we're in there. So, how many people do you expect usually? That's what we're on.
I'd say we usually have about 100 to 150 cars, and more people than that who are out enjoying First Friday. This is part of our First Friday festivities. Right. So people walk up to the garage, come and look at the cars, in addition to the people who drive the cars up.
Right, because this is actually my first Friday in a while. I'm usually doing an event or something downtown, but you can hear, like from far, as you can see, you can hear the noise, the tires screeching, and that is just a good time. It sounds like a good time up here. So we're gonna have a good time. I'm pretty sure you wouldn't come back if you weren't having a good time.
That's right. I wouldn't spend my Friday nights doing this if it wasn't an awesome time in downtown Macon.
We're gonna let everybody pile in. Thanks for talking to us.
Absolutely.
And thanks Newtown for an event. It's gonna be awesome. People are piling in, so we're gonna keep it going. Peace. Peace to the people, Sevyn. I'm here. We found the guy who started it.
What's up?
You ready?
Yeah,
listen, man, he's gonna give us history. How did you start this? This thing is awesome already.
So it kind of started, I guess it's been about 3 years now. We just needed a local spot for like people to hang out, the car crews to hang out, you know. The deck is cool, it's open air, it's like anybody can show up. So like 3 years ago, I guess it's been 3 years.
3 years?
We were like, you know, where can we go that would be cool to get people from out of town, get people in town, like somewhere to go. First unofficial meet, threw it on Facebook last minute, the week of, had 100 people show up, 100 cars. It was awesome. You know, we didn't have any problems with the cops, nothing like that, so I thought we were kind of good to go. So I made another event for a month later, and it like escalated very fast. So like people from Atlanta were coming, Florida, South Carolina, it was on the map. We had like 250 cars, and the cops shut it down, and we bounced over to Central City Park with all the cars, and they came over there, shut us down there. So some went to like 2 different locations. Basically everybody split up. So it was a bust, more or less. So at that point I decided we got to make this legit. People are showing up, people are coming from out of town. Like, you know, we need to make this happen and make it happen like legally. So I reached out to Bibb County, the captain of Bibb County PD, and I was like, look, I don't know what to do. Like, Middle Georgia needs this event. It's promoting all the businesses downtown. We're getting people in from out of town. I understand the police presence. I understand, like, you know, not being able to like maintain it, but what do I need to do to make it legal? So they actually linked me up with Newtown Macon, which is a nonprofit in Macon, Georgia, and they've kind of helped me along the way. We got the building leased for the First Fridays, and that company also puts on like a major event in downtown Macon, like once a month, every First Friday. So they picked up the parking garage meet to kind of add to their portfolio, and it's been their best event that they have, like, period. So it's been really good. This year Geico stepped up and they are paying for everything. So before, me and my wife were paying for everything out of pocket.
Candace, everybody.
Yeah, my wife. So we were paying for everything out of pocket, getting porta potties, paying for security, cops, out of pocket. It was rough, but you know, I wanted to put it on. So Newtown came in, started helping us out. Now Geico kind of fronts the bill to get their name out there too, and it's just blown up ever since. I think we've done it for about 3 years now, and it's probably been about 15 to 20 actual official legit legal events. So and we don't really have any problems with the cops or anything like that anymore. It's been really good.
Awesome. So how old were you when you got into cars and stuff and just got into the scene?
So right now I'm 30. I've been in the car scene in Middle Georgia since like, I guess since I was born. My whole family's always been into it. Like, my parents raised me on it. My whole family's GM, classic GM muscle car stuff. So I kind of maintain that kind of car scene. But what I love about these events is like you get random stuff like import cars, domestic cars, old school muscle cars, new school like muscle cars. We've had Ferraris out here, GTRs, like a lot of new stuff, like a lot of really nice high-end stuff. So
okay.
It works really well.
So what about the people that are worried about safety? Have you guys had any events, any situations that we were worried about, or ease their mind?
So we haven't had any safety issues at all. We do have like every once in a while we'll have some people leave and try and peel out and stuff like that, but that's why we have the cops here to regulate and make sure, you know, that everything goes according to plan. You know, the cops can't be everywhere at any time, but it's a family-friendly event. We have kids out here, moms pushing strollers around. Like we want it to be family-friendly. We want it to be for everybody, not just car people. Like Newtown, Macon, I've tried to push to them. Like we want people that aren't into cars that are here for like the First Friday event and here for downtown Macon to come up and check out the car scene, and you know, maybe get some more people into cars. Yeah.
So not necessarily car enthusiasts, events for everybody to come out and just check out the different cars. People put their hard work into it. A lot of these cars are, I see just off of my own knowledge, are done people doing their own work.
Yeah.
So,
a lot of the people here, they're DIYers, so they put a lot of their own time, like a ton of their own money into these cars. So like having non-car folks come up here and like check out the car and like tell the owner, hey man, you did a really nice job with this. I like what you did here, I like what you did there. It's a big deal for a car guy that's done all the work themselves, for sure. So
that's awesome. That's awesome. Well, we're gonna thank you.
Oh yeah.
Thank you for this event.
Yeah, dude, I appreciate you coming.
We're gonna go around and
show them off some cars, man.
Right, show some cars, see some things going on. We're gonna be here all night.
So probably about an hour from now, it'll be
get going. So stay with us, people. Peace.
Yeah, we'll see you.
Everybody's here now. Lowriders in the back. It's going down. We're gonna make our way back up. Let's go. He told us they were in here. He told us that it was gonna be a good time. So we're gonna go on up. Let's see what B3 got going on and have at it. Peace. Stay with us. I'm sorry, I'm trying to post on Instagram as well. You guys know I do both. If you follow Piece of the People, you know I have IG and YouTube going at the same time. So let me post this. Boop, and there we are, posted. A lot more people, a lot more cars, darker skies, beautiful scenery. Little Georgia showed up. We out and about, people. We're just gonna mingle, right? What's going on? So we're gonna see what everybody got going on. Dogs out and about, motorcycles. It's a great time. Very diverse crowd. I see all ethnicities, ages, forms, American muscles, foreigns, imports, and whatnot. People with their regular cars out here, so it's not really a thing of coming out showing out your best car, your most flashiest car, or whatever. It's more of just camaraderie, coming out with your friends, showing off your car, off your hard work. Nice car. A lot of hard work out here. Saw all the cars, saw all the people we met, from the people, most of the organizers and whatnot, some of the people from Newtown, Macon. We're gonna close out right here. Subscribe, leave comments down below, like, make sure you follow my story on Instagram daily, just doing things, drinking teas in the morning, whatever I'm doing. You can see what's going on my Instagram at SEVYNALLAH. Peace to the people. Special shout out to Paris a lot. Sorry you missed this one, baby. I know you would have loved to see all the cars and stuff. You'll be at the next one.